Hi everyone, my name is Eleanor Baker. I'm a registered dietitian here in the Jacksonville Beaches area. And today we're going to be making a delicious, colorful way to start your day, and it's papaya boats. So papaya is actually an excellent source of vitamin C. It's also high in folate as well as potassium. So you can find the recipe linked underneath this video as well as on my website at elevatednutritionandwellness.com. And we're going to go ahead and dive into this recipe so you can make it yourself.